to show you how to make two very easy, very simple bird treat toys. So this is one I prepared earlier, and I'll show you how to make that now. So let me put that away. Okay, first you get two tissues or paper towels, put them down, then you get some bird seed, not too much, not too little, like don't use this much, just get around this much and sprinkle out how much you want. Depending on how many birds you have or how big your bird is, put an amount that your bird will agree with. Like, if it's a big bird, put a lot. Well, not a lot, just enough. Okay, so do this, twist it a bit, get it like a band, tie it up. Like so. Then tear a little bit, and if there's bird seed there, that's good. But if there's no bird seed and tear another one, if there's no bird seed, like here, you have to put a tiny bit of bird seed there, so the bird isn't confused and can't find any bird seed. They might fall out, so try to... It's okay, because once you put it in there, it's all a mess. Especially my bird. My bird just knocks out all the bird seed. Okay, that's done. So now we have two. Now, clear off your table. And I have this, you know, where you put your hand in here, like so, and you do your nails? Well, I have this, and I'm going to do something with it. Like, I am going to use some bird seed, or actually, you can get you can buy bird treats like this. Use that and break off a bit. You can get some with your nail and stick a couple in there. Little chunks for your bird. It's a bit hard though. Well, you should probably do it after your bird has actually nibbled on this. It's much easier to get the bird seed out. And the bird can just like chew on this rubber-ish kind of foam. Yep, foam. And then can really enjoy this toy. Well, they are two really enjoyable treats for your little bird. Comment, subscribe, and rate if you liked me. Thank you.